Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I need some lip gloss. I think that's good. Okay, so welcome back to my channel, guys. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Shiana. So for today's video, it's gonna be pretty quick. I'm just kind of doing an unboxing for my birthday hair. It is from an AliExpress vendor. I kind of asked around about this vendor first because I was very hesitant because the prices were like ridiculously cheap, and I knew I didn't want to spend like a whole bunch of money on my birthday because, well, on my birthday hair, because I wasn't like trying to be that girl. Because it's just one day, 24 hours, nothing special. But I did want to do something cute with my hair. So I purchased a wig from Mslula. This is the packaging that it came in. It literally came super quick. I was messaging them on AliExpress like not Friday, Saturday and Sunday, but I wasn't really feeling good, so I was like kind of half-assed messaging them, but they were getting back to me very quickly with responses because I wanted to make sure that I got the hair in before my like birthday festivities, which is this weekend. So I did contact them just to make sure that the hair would be here on time, and I ordered it Sunday. It came today, and it's Wednesday, and Monday was a holiday, so that's pretty quick. And they shipped through FedEx, so I don't think FedEx was closed on Monday. I'm not sure, but it came super fast, basically. So now I'm just going to do the unboxing and show you the wig and let you see what it looks like. So inside the box, you get this right here. It's like a how-to care sheet. And then 2 wig caps. I probably won't use these because they're black. And my wig, which I got, I'm wearing a 613 wig, but this is synthetic. This is human hair. So, I got this wig. And let's just unpackage it. It comes wrapped in plastic. And then it also comes with a netting around the hair. Just pulling it out the packaging, the hair is super soft. It does have, you know, flyaways and whatnot, but I'm not too worried about it because we're gonna color this wig. I'm not telling the color because I want it to be a surprise. It also comes with this little tissue paper in the inside. First pulled out the package, I got an 18-inch 613 unit in 150 density. It is it's pretty close to 150. I will say that the ends are, they're not full all the way through, but I mean, I don't really care because I'm gonna be styling this hair, so it doesn't have to be perfect. I just kind of wanted something that would be worth my while. Ugh, I got gloss stuck on my fucking lips. The lace is light brown, or yeah, it's light brown. So it kind of, I mean, I have a tattoo on this hand. Let me just do it on this one. So you can kind of see that it will blend like legit, like right into my skin with especially a little bit of like foundation powder. The hairline is slightly pre-plucked, so I'll let y'all take a look at that. It is a 13x6, but it is a 13x6 wig, so it is not like a full frontal. It is just like the center here, and then like the edges on the side. It comes with 2 combs on the side, and then 1 in the center, and then 1 in the back with adjustable straps and the little lace tab in the back as well. So just taking a look at the wig, the hair is super soft. It is snagging a little. Just a few strands are coming out. I got, well, it's just 1 strand. Just combing through it, I got 1 strand. Feels super soft. It's not like nappy or anything. It doesn't have like that factory smell, like, you know, like it's been sitting in a warehouse for a while. I mean, it has a hair scent, but it doesn't smell like it's been sitting like wrapped in plastic or anything. So that's a plus sign. Looking at the back of it, it's not thin. I can I mean, this is a decent wig. Like, I can't complain. Once putting it on, I don't think I'll be able to see the tracks, but since I'm like playing around with it, I can somewhat see it. But like with me holding it up like this, I know you guys can't see the tracks, so that's a good sign. For the hair, I so far can't really say anything bad. Ends are very, very kind of straggly, and they're kind of snagging at the ends a little bit, so that's probably like the only downfall. The hair is super soft, super nice. I love the fact that it's kind of pre-plucked already, but basically so far so good. I have no complaints. The fact that it hasn't been shedding, like since I've been running my hands through it, is a sign. It is snagging on the ends, so that's the only like downfall. But besides that, like, I mean, really this wig gets an 8 out of 10, because the only thing I'm really having problems with is the ends snagging a little when we running my hands through them, but it isn't shedding. It's just kind of like getting a little tangled, but nothing like outrageous. And then like the closure top part, it's 13 by 6 in the center, not all the way through. But I mean, I don't think that's how most wigs are constructed. Besides that, the hair came pretty fast. It doesn't smell. It doesn't feel bad. Like, it's pretty decent. So I will give y'all a more updated version for this review once I have installed it and done like my look for it. I don't know if I'm going to film a watercolor method. I'm not 100% sure yet. I might just film it just to have and post maybe later, because I don't know yet. I really just don't know. I kind of just might have the content because I already have a video on how to do the watercolor method, but yeah. So this is the hair, and so far so good. I will give y'all a more updated review once I have installed and worn it a little bit. And yeah, that is all for this initial review. Make sure you are subscribed. If not, what are you waiting for? It's that nice little red button down below this video. And if y'all have any questions or any comments that y'all want to give, just let me know down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.